How to let anyone join in on your private story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add anyone on your private story. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first step is open up your Snapchat. Now simply take a snap to put it on your story. Now what you'll need to do is tap on this stickers icon right here and simply tap on it and you'll be on this stickers section. Now you'll need to head over to this story option on the corner here and tap on it. Now here you will see custom story. Now your custom story, anyone who can contribute can join, so anyone can just join. So what you'll need to do is simply type in the name of your custom story. I'll just type in this, and yeah, simply place this wherever you want, and after you do that, simply tap on story on the bottom and post it on your story. Now whoever clicks on that link or that option will simply be able to join in on your story and contribute. And yeah, that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay